Hello guys and welcome to TheBroThing. This is Arnav and today I'm going to talk about how to never run out of things to say when you're talking to a girl. And this is also the $1 million mouthpiece as referred to in the pickup community. So I hope you enjoy the video. Now, what is the free flow association? It basically means shifting topics and associating words with whatever comes to your mind. Now, in order to practice this, all you got to do is, get a book, right? You can get a book and this will really help you in your verbal game. So get a book and take a random word out of that book, right? Just sway your finger and just say stop on any word and talk about that word for 30 seconds. Now, the reason I want you to do the free flow exercise is because it will help you a lot in improving your verbal game, right? And with your verbal game, I know we make people do this activity in the boot camps. So do it for every day for about half an hour, and it will really help you up your conversational game. Because in a conversation, when you're talking to a girl, a girl might not relate to certain things, right? And with this exercise, you're free flowing, and I will show you in the infield next week that you're free flowing, and even if the girl is not able to relate with half of the conversation, she is relating to something because you're constantly shifting topics. You're taking a book, you're talking about that word for 30 seconds, then whatever word you end on, you're going to start on that word for 30 seconds, and then whatever word you end on, then you're going to talk about that. Now imagine if a guy is really passionate about computers. He goes out, he talks about a computer for an hour with a fucking supermodel, right? She's going to be like, okay, I love his passion, I love his compassion, and he's certain about whatever he's saying. 1 hour for computers? I'm not signing up for this. I don't want to go out on a date. He'll fucking blow my fucking mind with computers. So what you got to do is you got to be more socially aware. You got to shift topics, right? And this is why we make you do this exercise, because you're shifting topics when you're in a conversation, and you will see that the girl is more engaged in a particular topic, and then you can talk about that. So I hope you understand what free flow association can do for you, and I hope you practice it. Now, if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you like our content, you can hit the subscribe button, also the bell button right next to it, so that you can get notified whenever we put a new video out. This is Arunav. Until next time.